Good evening, guys. My name is Dengabu Dengachil, and I would be telling you some stories in Dinka language. 2 stories, 10 proverbs, 2 lullabies, three lullabies, and some tongue twisting. So, to start with story 1, it is about a man who wished to switch like a gender, like a sex, from being male to female for some purpose. So I will start. Warter Chengdan Jing Koyakarer Panichol Machara Nijong the Man Sudan, the Manukuch Kingdom. Machara Nijong Ye Panamon Jing I Jing Again Jing Jeng Monjang Kia Koi Pir Hawk Yapor Majok Jalapor Rap Gutiang Diar Dui Ya Quadmal Jeng. So Kayen Rani Joliai Editin Panmonjang Machar Yai Arer Kegman Yai Lawon Leruan Tirodot Go Tagi Kubetiek Kubetik Kubetiak Pinyoy by Panaman Achija Chol Pan Wunke Walanke Narke Kumalanke Wada Jiping Achigam Kuleloke Achin Mishkala in Labatiek Pap Kubetik Kubai Kubabandam Kubamor Kubuar Yai Achijal Kony Yan Cheng Monjang the Tiegin